You go outside and no matter how much you move, you just can't get your hair dry. No need to go to the salon to get your hair dry anymore. There's no need to add a hose to the back of your exhaust on your vacuum cleaner anymore because it gets you dirty. Even this guy thinks that the attachments are sucky. Hi, Billy Mays here for the hair dryer. Alexander Godfrey was the first to invent the hair dryer, but now I have it in the palm of my hand in the 1920s. Go from this to this to this, and even this to this. It's a real simple design. It just takes air from the back of the machine, puts it through a heater, and spits it out at your hair. So what's the big deal about them? They're awesome! They're like the hammer for women! They're great! They make your hair dry, and they're just cool, and they're awesome, and they make everything just dry. You can even use them for paper mache! If you need to dry paper mache, you can use it! It's great! They're so useful!